In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an attachment in the new Mailchimp email builder. This handy guide will walk you through the process of sharing files via Mailchimp, ensuring your email campaigns remain effective and user-friendly without compromising deliverability. Now, before we begin, it's important to note that Mailchimp doesn't allow direct attachments in emails. This limitation helps to reduce the risk of your email being marked as spam and ensures it reaches your audience. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround. By uploading your file to Mailchimp and adding a download link to your email, you can still effectively share your documents with your audience. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate your way to the Content Studio, which can be found on the left side panel of your dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your media files. Within the Content Studio, select My Files. It's the hub for all your uploaded content. Now, to share a new file, look for the Upload button. Clicking this will allow you to select the specific file you want to share from your device. Once the file is successfully uploaded, you'll be given a file URL. This URL acts as a link to your attachment, so be sure to copy it as you'll need it shortly. Next, it's time to integrate this file link into your email. You can do this whether you're crafting a new email campaign or editing an existing one. In the email editor, you have two primary options, the text block or a button. If you opt for a text block, simply type out a phrase like download here and highlight it. This lets your audience know there's something ready to be downloaded. By clicking the link icon, you can paste the file URL, turning that highlighted text into a clickable link. It's a straightforward and non-intrusive way to share files with your readers. Alternatively, if you prefer using a button for a more visually striking call to action, this can easily be achieved as well. First, insert a button into your email layout, navigate to the button's link settings, and there you'll paste the same file URL. This method can often draw more attention to the download option, which might be beneficial depending on your campaign's design and goals. Either way, you now have an effective workaround to include attachments in your Mailchimp emails. By following these steps, you maintain the professionalism and delivery rate of your campaigns while still offering valuable documents to your audience. And there you have it, a complete guide to sharing files in your Mailchimp emails. I hope this helps you craft successful campaigns with ease. Don't forget to test the email by sending it to yourself first to ensure everything functions as expected. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.